Hello, artistic people. So, I recently get a comment that my drawing isn't easy because I call this video easy way to draw, but maybe it's not, I don't know. So today we will do something pretty easy. I will try to explain everything I do. First of all, if you want to draw something, you need to have a good sketch. So you need to find something you want to draw and you need to sketch this. If you want to copy or, I don't know, print out or something, you need to do this because every draw is starting with a good sketch. So now we will draw some ear, like something look like elf ear from Skyrim or some game, I don't know. We will see. But this is a earring. This is not elf ear. This is normal ear with earring, which reminds on elf ear. So let's start. So we will need to go with this pencil. I am using Faber-Castell pencils. So we will use only these two. This one for the main ear and this one for the shadows or darker pieces. So of the drawing. And we will use also these gel pens. So this is for the earring and this one for the details for little stones or something. I don't know which, we will see where we will put this. So let's start. We will go with this pencil here, outlines like this, and we will everywhere, and we will color all that with this pencil, with this color. So let's start like this. So my channel is it not make for selling my art or to show how I am good artist, just to make this hobby easier to other people. I just want to teach you how you need to relax and have fun with everything you do. If you like drawing, if you're not, this is not channel for you. So now we are finished with the coloring all that, and now we will color the shadows and darker places with this pencil, with this color. So maybe outline So if you don't know how to make shadows, you can take a picture and put it in any Photoshop or some program for photo editing, and you take this picture and increase shadows in this program, and you will see where shadows goes. This is very easy. I was confused when I began where to put shadows, why people talk that drawing needs to have shadows on certain place, and how could you know where to put them. So this is a very easy way to decide where shadows goes. So now I know that shadows goes this way. I am grateful for every comment you make because this is a small channel and I want to see what people think. Do you find it easy or hard? Please say, and I will make it easier if you need. So here's our shadows, like this, something like this. And to make this drawing more fun, we will add this gel pen here, like this earring is from silver, wire. I found this picture in some game, I can't remember. I think it's Skyrim, not a picture, this ear like this. So you need to be careful when you draw with gel pens because it needs time to not get smudgy. So now this looks like silver earring, and now we can put some gems with this pencil, this gel pen, not pencil. Where we will put this? Maybe one here, like this. Here, here, and maybe here. I think this is cute. And that is all from me today. I hope you will like, subscribe, and all those funny things. And comment, please, if you like my video. I hope this was easy. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.